Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Marife Adonis. And today we're going to study frequency distribution. Okay, so we have already here the class interval with the frequency. And we will compute the less frequency distribution and the relative frequency distribution. And later, magagraph po tayo, no? So, simulan na po natin. So, we have here, so let's start from the least done frequency distribution. Okay, so, dito tayo sa baba. So, we have 10. 10 plus 6 equals 16. 16 plus 8 is equals to 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. 33 plus 3 is 36. 33 plus 3, 39. And 39 plus 1 is equals to 40. So there are 40 students who took the 30 math quiz. No? So this time, we're going to get the relative frequency distribution. So, ang relative frequency distribution is the total times, no? So, it's like, times 100%, no? Times 100, no? So, relative frequency distribution. Now, for example, paano ito kukunin? So, let's start here. Let's get it. So, from 10 divided by 40, and then equals, okay. So, mamaya, nag-decimal siya, pero mamaya gawin natin siya. Let's try natin i-times sa 100. Kung lalabas ang Ayun. Yan, naging 25. So, okay. So, let's start again natin. Next, 16 divided by 40 times 100. Kaya lang, baka naging we found type error. Kaya pala, no? Okay, so we will use the asterisk. So again, no? So we have equals 24 divided by 40 times, insert, where is the okay. So, dito tayo. Yan. 100 equals. Yan. Okay, good. Very good. Next, we have 30 divided by 40. Then, asterisk 100. Okay, good. Next. Then, 33 slash D33 asterisk 100 equals. Yan. Okay, next equals 36 divided by C33 slash 100. Dali lang, di ba, guys? Ganun lang kadali. Then, 49 divided by T dash 100. Okay. May technique dito na mapadali na. Kaya lang, para sa mga bukuhan na estudyante, no, hindi natin kailangan magmadali. Okay? So, the most important is na alam niyo kung paano siya i-apply. No? Okay, so we got 100%. This time, graph muna natin yung cost interval with the frequency. So, insert, ano natin to? Okay, so, then, insert, recommended niya na ano. So, mas maganda dito, okay, ito muna pansamantala. Ayan, so, anong title nito? We have the frequency distribution, of 30 math quiz. Ayan. Then we will add the name of the axis. Okay. So, ano pangalan ng axis? We have the frequencies. And then, yung horizontal axis is the class interval. Okay. Yan. Then, pwede natin lagdagan din ng, for example, data levels. Yan. That means, the 28 to 29, we have only one. No? Yes, check. Okay, yan. Okay, and pinakamarami ay 10, no? Alright, so ganyan lang kadali yan. Then, we can use another, for example, we can use another, ibang chart naman, no? Okay, so paano naman pag sinama natin to? We will compute for the, ayan, histogram. Gagawa tayo ng histogram. So, insert natin to. Then, here, balik ulit tayo, and then, go to all charts, and then make a histogram na, ito ba? Okay, so, pag ito ginamit natin, look at the given. So, ito, mapansin nyo, alright, so, anong title nito? So, we have here also already the frequency distribution of a 30 math quiz. Ayan. And then, we will add this. Okay, so, meron na tayo ngayong tatong axis. Dito sa left side, ito yung ating frequencies. Alright. Dito naman, yung percentage distribution. No? So, this is the cumulative. Ano po ito? Cumulative frequency distribution. Of course, yung sa baba pa rin ang ating class interval. Okay, so napansin niyo na agad, meron na siyang class interval ito. Ayan, okay. Look at the chart. Now, let's us analyze, no, kung tama ang given natin, no. So, okay, dito muna tayo. Pansin nyo to, no? We have 100%, no? Nagsimula tayo dito, no? So, the smallest is the 28 to 29. Then, hanggang dumami siya, napansin nyo to, merong almost 40% or 16, or what do you call this one? Paano tinalize ito? Ang pinakamarami actually niya is 10. So that's why dito sa pagsimula dito 30%, no? In between 20 to 30%, nandyan yung pinakamarami. Makita nyo yung 10 na frequency, ito 80%. It consists of 80% na sa graph. Okay? Tapos, yung 18 to 19, na ang kanyang frequency is 8, is about 70%. Okay? So, ganyan po ang takbo ng cumulative frequency distribution. Alright? So, kung gusto nyo naman makita sa ibang chart, gamitan natin ang pictograph. Pie chart. Okay, so isa din sa recommendation sa kanya dito, gumamit ng pie. So, pag ginamitan natin to ng pie chart, no, so ang recommended lang kasi niya is, histogram, variables. Okay, so, bar, line, column. Okay. So, we can use this one also. So, makita nyo to. Yan. This is a clustered column. Yan, may kulay. Yan. Okay. Gets nyo na. So, ano ibig sabihin itong blue na to? So, let's see kung ano yung legend na yan. Okay. Title of the axis. So, ano po ito? Frequencies pa rin. Okay. This is, ito yan, no? Yung relative frequency distribution. No, guys? Okay. This is the relative frequency distribution, yung color ng gray. The orange is the frequencies. Yung blue is the frequency, yung ano niya. Ang tawag dito, less than cumulative frequency. No? So, ganyan lang, no? So, pwedeng look at that, no? So, yan. Kita nyo, frequency sa baba. Ayan, may parehas. Okay, ito yung less than cumulative frequency at nasa taas yung relative frequency distribution. Okay? So, ganyan lang po, guys. Thank you so much. See you again tomorrow for another series of this graph, no? Pag-graphing of